Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira? I'm sure that you would already read the title that I've bought a drone. It is DJI Mavic Mini, right? And I bought this. I bought this drone on Amazon sale. I got an amazing discount, and I wanted a combo version, but I did not get it. I just need one more battery and the dual charging port. I'm gonna pick it up from US, or I'll ask some of my friends to get it when they're coming. But yeah, I am sorry I already unboxed it. I was super curious to see how the drone works. But I'm gonna show you the drone box itself and what all those things come inside the drone as well. So just check out now. So guys, here is the box for the Mavic Mini, and trust me, it's really amazing. And sorry to surprise you, there's nothing inside that. Sorry, just kidding. So let me get the box. So I didn't get the combo because that was out of stock in Amazon, so I had to pick up the one which is the basic version. I think it's all right, and I picked this from Amazon. It's about 400 bucks. It's gonna fit the drone and a couple of my camera accessories as well. I think it's handy. So this is what you get inside the box, so please ignore the other stuff. So this is the drone, right? So this is the drone that we get, and I'm gonna keep it here. And then you also have a bunch of booklets and the other propeller stuff. So let me open it first, everything. So I'm gonna keep this thing aside. So this is my drone box temporarily. So this is the drone, as I said. So it's very handy. It's just about my palm size, if you guys can see closely. So nothing beyond that, right? And this is the booklet that we get. And you also have the charging cables and the operator guards as well. And you also have the remote that's going to connect. So this is the remote, right? So, and the reason why I got it, I'm heading towards a very exotic place. I want to make sure that I get some really amazing content. And you also have extra stuff here inside this box, which is, and you also get a cable as well, just in case for charging. And the battery sits inside the drone. You have to charge like that, and you get a few bunch of accessories inside this, the propellers itself, and then you have a screwdriver to remove these nuts and change. And then you also have multiple the cables in case if I'm an iPhone user. If you're not an iPhone user, you get a different cable altogether. Can be OnePlus, can be Samsung, or any other device. So this is all you get in the box. So, and that's about it, guys. And this is the box. I know it looks weird, but I'm gonna load in this. So guys, I hope you like the unboxing of drone. I'm super sorry I did not do the proper unboxing of the drone, but it's important. I was super excited to see how exactly the drone looks. I've been only people putting footage, and this is an amazing drone. It has a lot of auto modes as well. I thought that every person who uses the drone has some really amazing skills. Drone just does the job. And this is the last video of the week. And the next videos that's gonna only come up is the trip updates, and I'm super curious. I want to make sure that I shoot an amazing video out of it. And I did shoot a sample which I already posted on Instagram. I know for the fact that you guys are not following the Revving Monsters, but everyone is trying to request and follow my personal account. But let's see if the request is humongous, and I want to make sure that if people are really interested in being part of my personal life, I don't mind changing it to a private view as well. But let's see how it scales. And before I end this video, guys, please take care and kindly be safe. We'll see you on another vlog, the next trip itself. And before I end this vlog, I'm going to put a small sample of the one that I shot. I'm not an expert, but I've tried it. I think it's okay to watch as well. So until then, take care, guys. See you on another vlog. Take care. Bye.